Hi, I'm Crystal, and I'm here to draw the winner for my Fruit Swap giveaway. I thought it would be fun to do a second chance prize as well, and so the second chance prize is a craft kit. It includes everything you need to make your own no-sew junk journal, cover and pages, and even a little bag of starter junk in case you are not much of a junk journaler. It's something you'd like to try. Everything you need is included except for glue. But if you are an avid junk journaler, maybe you don't make cards, so I've also included 2 card kits. They're die-cut cards. So the first one has got everything you need to make a cute hello card, as well as the card base and the envelope. The second one is a cute seasonal card. It's got a stamped image of a witch and her cat. Also includes some fun elements, as well as the card base and envelope. So hopefully, whatever your preferences, there'll be something fun in here for my second chance prize winner. Also includes written and photo instructions, so should be easy to follow. Now I've got all my entrants here. I've typed them out. I'm going to put them in this appropriate bowl for a fruit theme swap, and the fruit theme swap giveaway goes to Rachel Summer. So congratulations. And for the second chance prize, oh, just kidding. Everybody wins. Everybody gets the second chance prize. So everybody who entered will get something in the mail from me. And I would like to thank all of you for watching today and watching the Fruit Swap video. Have a wonderful crafty day.